Before I start my presentation, I want to interact with those audience, those who 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 onwards. It means all of you guys. Great. I can see nice smiling faces. Like you like my jokes, right? Great, great. So before I start proceeding or start showing my slide, one thing to think about, you know, first of all, don't go on my English. My English is incredibly great, right? You can learn some new vocabulary today, right? Great. Second thing, what we doing, why are we doing, what we gonna achieve. So what you are guys doing, ask yourself same question, what you are doing and why you doing, what you're going to achieve. When I asked this question from myself, when I came in this country back in 20 years ago, you know, I I got this question on my mind because I'm going every day in a corporate world with the same suits, tie on, look very, you know, glamorous. And trust me, guys, if somebody asks me, take your shoes off, there is lots of hole. My thumb's coming out, my toe coming out from there. So that's how we inside basically. We are broke inside, but from outside we look very, amazing. Every month I'm going. Why I'm going, I've got no idea because every month I have to go to make money. What I'm achieving from making that money, I didn't understand that. So same question, guys, those who are student on this webinar today, those who are student, ask yourself here, what you want to achieve when you finish your study. You want to be manager, vice president, senior manager, or whatever you want to achieve. Is this exactly what you want? Or you want to make good money? That's why you're doing studies. I want you to focus on making money, and goal is making money, right? And then look around the position you want to acquire in a coming time after when you finishing your university. Look around with those people who already have on those positions. Ask yourself why they nearly 40-year-old or 50-year-old, why they're still going for job, what sort of lifestyle they have. You will get the answer. So today you make a focus, try to understand what I'm saying. If you don't understand my accent, write it down and ask the person who invited you to get in touch with me. I can explain you in a more, better accent way, right? Because I have a Punjabi background. So when I get excited, my Punjabi start coming out from my mouth and my voice get louder and louder. So don't get scared, guys, right? So shall we start? Nice movie. Great. Let me share my screen, guys, and give you the tour of amazing journey. So just give me thumbs up. Girish, I can see your face. Yeah, great. You can see my screen, right? Great. So take this way. Most of the people like me, I'm an immigrant. I left my countries. Why? Because I done higher studies. And that's the reason I have to left my country, left my parents behind. So basically my education become my enemy, right? And today, one disclaimer, guys, I'm not here to de-edify anybody's job. Any studies, whatever students who are doing studies, I'm not de-edifying. My job to give you the right direction, where you can make life a lot better, right? So whatever we're doing, basically from inside, this is what we want to achieve. Am I right? And now think in this way, this is your destination. This is your destination you want to go. Now, imagine, say example, all of you need to go to India as a destination. India, any other country can take, I'm from India, I took India name, so don't get disappointed. Now, my question is, you need to go to India as another destination, and I'm offering you two things. On two things, you can pick any one, you can have it, you can take it away, don't give me any money, but you can't trade, right? I'm offering you one plane ticket and one Ferrari car or Maserati car or Lamborghini or Porsche. You can choose from one of them from there. So if I ask you, which one you're going to choose to go to India very same day, you got to be there very same day. I'm sure you're going to choose plane ticket because it makes a lot of sense. So the plane ticket is the right vehicle who can take you towards your destination in a right time, right? So if you get my message, now you want to go to this destination, which is financial freedom, having on business, passive income, and so on and so forth. You want to achieve, you want to go there. This is a destination. So think about those who are already in a job sector or as self-employed, you might be thinking running a business, but if you're making money from your activity, this is self-employment, guys. Let me make my point clear here. Or those who are students who are looking forward to looking for a job, good, get a job done anyway, because that's the primary source of income. We need that to support, to be somewhere, right? But if this is your destination, ask yourself, the vehicle you're sitting at the moment, or you're going to sit in the future, will that vehicle will take you towards this destination? I'm sure your answer will be no. Or in my point of view, even that vehicle can take you to this destination. You can be financially free by the time you're 70-year-old. You might be managed to buy 2-3 houses. Yes, I achieved something. But guess what, guys? By the time you have a kids, they want to live on those houses. You're gonna get no leverage out of it, basically, right? So to go to this destination, you need to find a vehicle who can take you towards this destination in the right time. Means by the time if you are 30-year-old, by the time 40-year-old, we should get all this thing done. So the vehicle I'm going to show you today, that vehicle definitely will take you towards your destination. Okay, I can say that's the best vehicle in the world so far. In my knowledge, those in a job or in a studies, they can use this vehicle. Why? Couple of things. When you want to do a business, you have to compromise with your job, for sure. Why? Because you're gonna lots of investment. Lots of investment come with lots of risk. Lots of risk means no family time. And then again, question mark. We might be lost everything, or we might gain something. If you gain something, we're gonna be more busier and more busier, right? With this vehicle, you don't need to compromise with your job. You don't need to compromise with your money. You don't need to compromise with your family time. With the touch of smartness, you can do that. Whatever we're doing, guys, because of we influenced by the people we are associated with. Power association. You move around. So many people, and I'm sure those who are kids, their parents must told them number of times, do not sit with the backbencher, right? Why they say that? They say because they understand you're gonna be spoiled. That's called power association. Now you got my point. So whatever you're doing nowadays, you've been big time influenced by the people you're surrounded with. That can be your parents, your mom, dad, uncle, aunt, friends, neighbors, or your friends, elder brother, or their families. These people, and those who are in a working position where you work. Our social network start from there as well. Most of the time we spend time with them. And that's the reason where we are, because we're influenced by somebody. And that's the reason we hardly use our brain. I'll give you one fantastic real thing. At the moment, those we in a 9 to 5, in my point of view, they are artificial robots. How? I can prove you, right? And imagine, remember one thing, guys. If I hurt your feeling, please don't get upset, right? And I will tell the organizer, don't give you my address, right? So we won't no way you can come and break my leg. When you went to school, you don't have a choice. Your father told you to go. You went. In school, your teacher told you what you want to be, doctor, engineer, accountant, what? They never told you how to be. Do you want to be a millionaire or billionaire? No. They start programming your brain. And now you want to be doctor, engineer, something which you think which is the good. What happened? You start listening your teacher very closely. You start following your teacher very closely. And after that, you manage to go to university. Now you understand you want to be a accountant, you've been well programmed. So you're more closely following your lecturer and start following your lecturer as well, listening to lecture more closely. What happened? You become software sync in your body. You become an accountant, engineer, pilot, IT, whatever, right? And what happened after that? You went to looking for job. You went to looking for job. Your boss told you that this is what you have to do. So what happened? To make your boss happy, you start listening your job or boss very closely. You start following your boss very closely. What happened in that scenario? When did you use your brain? My billion-dollar question, amazing question, right? Now everybody must be thinking I'm right. And that's the reason the phrase, because this is not my cup of tea, is come from that. Because I think, I'm a content or I'm an IT engineer or whatever. This is my expertise. This is what I can do any business basically. And that's the reason we end up in a conventional business center. Now, ask a question from you guys. You want to do a business, if you want to achieve all those milestones, financial freedom, big business, global concept, inheritance for kids. Are these people in a B Corp are the right people or not? I'm sure you're going to say because they are highly successful than anybody around the people we are surrounded with. So they're not going to come to you or you can't when to ask any question to them, but you can learn something from there, some tips. They give so many quotation, just don't put quotation on a Facebook and say how intelligent I am. People know how intelligent you are, basically how successful you are. We know you have a Mercedes or a BMW. It's for installment, guys. You might be have a nice house. It's on installment, guys. These people have everything paid or paid for. So what they do, I'd give you one example from Richard Branson. He became a successful on Virgin Airlines. Did he say to you, oh man, I have expertise in Virgin Airlines, any opportunity I want on these areas, I have expertise? No. He understand any opportunity come, first he need to quickly grab. Why? Because there's so many entrepreneurs there, they're waiting for same opportunity. First he grab very quickly, and then they learn how to make money out of it. That's the one thing. Second thing, the people working in the same organization, when we ask them, have you thought about second source of income, in which you can, have your own future, you can control your calendar? No, man, I'm so busy, my plate is full. Oh, really, man? And you want to be like Richard Branson? He's your boss, he's busy doing a multiple source of income, diversifying his income. And any opportunity, no, this you see, I'm an engineer, I'm gonna something in my area, right? Narrowing down, because the brain is closed. Because throughout your curriculum time period, you're chasing your degree, but your boss, throughout his time period, he's chasing his dream. You get my point? They're chasing the dream. That's why they understand the meaning of opportunity. Means grab it, then learn, then make it money out of it. Right? So I give you some tip, their mentality. So one source of income in their own organization, and you have small money, you're happy with that? Think about it, guys. Is this the reason you're born on this planet Earth? Must be a big reason you're born. Find out the cause you're born on this planet Earth. If you really want this life, man, this life, if you want, is good. Otherwise, I'm sure most of the people on this webinar, they are here. The good point on this slide and this slide, one thing is common. Here, if you want this lifestyle, you need to work hard by choice. And you need to work hard by choice only for maybe 5 years or 10 years. Here, you have to work hard by force. And the time limit is 70 plus till you're alive. Think about it, guys. Open brain, man. Forget about degrees and all. Then you're going to understand my concept. Business ideas. Let's talk about business ideas. I learned something here, and I'm going to use that. I'm just doing one poll here, and if you can share your contribution, I really appreciate. I made it. I think I lost it. Right. So let's just ask one question, guys. At the moment, who's sitting in this webinar, which phone you using, smartphone or old model Nokia phone? Don't tell me, I love to have Nokia phone. What phone you using at the moment, smartphone or old Nokia phone, right? I'm sure everybody using a smartphone, everybody using a smart car, everybody using a smart TV, everybody using a smart washing machine, so on, so forth. In the same time, if I need a life partner, I need a smart life partner, no dumb life partner. Right? So if we're using a smartphone or all those stuff, why are we using old-fashioned way to making money? Job, J-O-B, job is 1,000-year-old concept. And at the same time, if we really want to do a business, we again end up in an old-fashioned way kind of business. And tell me, guys, I'm showing you some business ideas here. And if you let me know if any business idea comes in your mind, you can see on my screen or not. Yes, great. If you can't see, my question is, whatever business idea comes in your mind, if that based on your activity, so you can make money, it's basically the same category, activity-based income. You're gonna be, there is a time come, this become liability when you're making lots of money, you have a Mercedes or BMW, and now you get frustrated that time because you want to enjoy your time, but you're so busy, there's a fear factor of losing client. You lose client, all your BMW gonna be gone. Try to understand. Now I'm gonna share you some amazing business ideas, the smart business ideas. Have a look, guys, and think about it. And this is the eye-opening slide for you guys. I'm sure if I ask you again, which business you want, Now you're going to change your mind. You want to be just something like Uber, Ola, Messenger, WhatsApp, Twitter, Google, TikTok, Vodafone, BT, Virgin, Apple, Android, iTunes, right? If you really want to do this business, can you please honestly put your thumbs up? Great, Amar. I'm watching you. Nice one. Thank you very much, Amar. Great. So what we have to do this business, find out one common thing in this businesses. One common thing, all these businesses, they're influencing communities. All this, any startup program nowadays on this 21st era, all this smart startup program, they think how they can help in the community. Why they want to help in the community? They want to bring the people into the platform. So if you want to do this business, you need to have your own platform. Now, guess what? To start your own app, I've just done my research only 2 days ago because I know I have a webinar. To normal simple app cost you 17,000 rupees or 17,000 pound. If you want to build that app in India, in USA it'd be 50,000 or UK $50,000. And if you want some geolocation, access to contact or a payment gateway and all, that same app will go to 70,000 pound if you want to do it from India. 150,000 pound if you want to do it from UK or USA. Just small complication in the app. It goes so expensive. Then you have to have a developer who can always maintain with your software. So much stuff, so much expense. One generate this kind of platform, right? And then it's going to be successful or not. That's a secondary story, right? But here we go. If you really want, first you need a platform which we can provide you. Second, what they're doing, they're bringing people into their network. They're joining people into their network. Am I right, guys? All of them, you join Facebook network, YouTube network, Cash of Royal, Amazon network, Uber network, Vodafone network, BT network, Virgin network, TikTok, you join their network and you want to build business like this, you need to build your own network. That's called 21st century. There's no industrial era anymore, guys. I'm going to share some advantage and disadvantage from Nokia side business and from smartphone side business. Have a look, guys. Lage raho Munna bhai. How many people heard this phrase? Your network is your net worth, right? This is 21st era, guys. You want to build network, you need to create a network, your own network. And the platform I'm talking about, this is not going to be third-party platform. This is going to be 100% your platform. You can create bigger network, and if you want to sell your network, you can sell your network as well. This is your platform, guys. You 100% in charge from manufacturing, from customer service, from everything under your control. That's an amazing platform. That's what I'm saying. This is the best vehicle can take you towards your destination. Now, let's take some example. The formula they use, they influence people, communities, converting their liability-based expense into a saving. At the same time, they says, when we start business, we all know business comes with some headache, some problem. We have to keep solving problem. What they do, they outsource those headache area. They give big chunk amount of their profit area to somebody else, so somebody else can look after it. What I mean by that, say, they convert people liability-based expense into a saving because they actually building an online asset. They're working on time compounding. I'm going to talk about time compounding here. Let's take example. Those who have a car and those who don't have a car. Those who don't have a car, they don't have any expense. They cut road tax, MOT, services, fuel, VAT. They don't have those expenses. But those who have a car, they have those expenses and they have to bear those expenses. That's called liability-based expense. Same with the international calling card. Maybe students, they don't understand, but back in days, we used to use international calling card. And back home in India, we used to have a STD, IST booth. So they can call back to India or to UK on a cheaper rate. House, everyone buy one extra room for the guest. And that extra room become a liability-based expense. All the electricity we know using room, looking after the VAT of the room, that's another liability-based expense. And supermarket. I'm sure, guys, those who have a girlfriend, or those who are married, or those even don't have a girlfriend or not even married, you can't think about it. You can tell to your partner, hey honey, today we finished with the toothpaste. I am in a mood of saving money. Let's buy this toothpaste next month. You know what's going to happen? Wife, yes, honey, why don't we meet in a court? Let's do it then. And say, no, I'll buy toothpaste. I buy shampoo. I buy conditioner. I buy everything, whatever you say, right? So those products are called fast-moving consumer goods. Again, liability-based expense. We have to spend money there. So what happened? Some smart people start a program helping communities. Uber. Now we know Uber help us to make good money. Why? He's helping himself big time. You can see the amount, 75.5 billion. WhatsApp, saving my money. Maybe I used to spend 50, 60 pounds on an international calling card to calling back home in India. And he starts saving my money. And I love this, platform, but how much he's making. Same with the Airbnb, right? Now, this is our platform, guys. Now, if you understand that, what we're doing, we're saying, man, you have to go to Tesco, Morrison, Asda, or corner shop anywhere. You have to spend money. You're giving away that money. How about you use that money? Come to our platform. And when you come to our platform, we're not going to offer you saving and all, because we are not greedy people. We can offer you your own platform. And through our mentorship and coaching program, we'll teach you, guide you, mentor you how you can build online asset global. People are so amazed, wow, right? Wow. And that is, man, there's nothing we hiding in there. I didn't put money in there because how big a network you're going to make. You can make more than Airbnb if you have a bigger network than Airbnb, right? It's up to you how much money you want to make, basically. But again, on this business, to building this business globally, you won't be alone, that's for sure. Now come with the headache part. Remember talk about headache part? Imagine the Uber, if you have to buy all those cars, millions of cars, and employing a millions of driver, it will be a big headache. All the road accident, car broken down, insurance, big. He said, man, you make whatever you want to make, you keep 75% of money, the big amount of money you can give, you just give me 25%. So if any driver making £1,000 a month, 250 pound, only a poor Uber person taking it. But guess what? He's got millions of driver doing same thing, and he's taking 250 pound after every 1,000 pound. 250,000 multiplied by millions of people. He's making a month millions of dollars a month. That's called time compounding. You go to Tesco, you got multiple tills in 1 hour. There's so many tilling going on. If you have 2 tills, they have a limitation. That's what 10 till, 15 till, 20 till, as much as they can do basically. That's how it's happened. Same with the international WhatsApp, free, no headache. Airbnb, they don't want to build their hotel. They basically outsource somebody else. They understand, people, they go to luxury room, but they sleep in a one room only. They want good night's sleep so they can go out from the hotel to check out tourist spots. And they understand that, Parsi, you have an empty room in the right location. Why don't you come, man? I don't want to build a hotel. It's a headache. And that's why it's become a #1 hotel chain in the world. Now, if you understand that in our business concept, it's a product, 500-600 kind of different products. Imagine if we have to manufacture, it will be a big headache. Take it as an Apple company. They produce 5 products. Macintosh, which is what we call laptop, tablet, phone, charger, and hand-free. 5 product Apple company do not want to manufacture by themselves. Am I right, guys? But they have a tie-up with the person who doing a manufacturing. Like, man, you have to build these products only for me. You're not allowed to give it to anybody. And what they do after that, they create a distribution network. They build a network. How many people are iTunes? Right? Great. So this is a global distribution model. People living in the house, they counter passive expenses. To counter passive expenses, what they do? They go for activity, job. They do a certain activity. Why they choose to make money by activity to counter passive expense? Imagine, man, we alive or dead, bill's gonna keep coming. We have a job or not, bill gonna keep coming. We fit for job or not, doesn't matter. Bill gonna keep coming. But to control those things, we do dangerous activity-based income. Why? Because we're surrounded with the people. They influence us. And that's the reason we end up there. What we do, we trade our time. Maximum 10 hours we can trade. Return we get salary. And what happened after that? We go in supermarket to make them more richer. I make my boss richer. Wow. I'm going to make supermarket richer. Wow. Yes. Like I'm a billionaire, right? My stocks have a whole, man, and helping so many people. Man, help ourselves. We need to help to ourselves. Why we go there? Because the passive based expense. And what happened behind the scene, there's a global distribution model where the supermarket, they get this stuff from stockists, they have a connection with the importer, exporter, and manufacturer, right? Say example, you went to buy a 1 marker pen in the UK, £1. The economic survey says anything you buy for in UK for £1, it have to be somewhere in the Asian continent or where the cheap labor are, right? Or anything you take away in your home for £1, the manufacturing cost has to be less than 10p. Then you can able to buy from supermarket for £1. Now, in common scenario, if you say manufacturer making 10p, retailer average profit margin is 25p, 35p is gone. Where's the 65p? 65p gone in the middleman, right? If I ask you, do you want to be manufacturer or retailer, you're going to choose be a middleman. Or why not? Making big money. No factory, no retailing, making big money. But if we're going same channel, it means again old traditional way, where we buy from manufacturer, giving to retailer, and that area is totally jam packed. There is no way they're going to let us in. But there are some smart people come with the smart ideas, and they crash this market big time. Do you want to know a smart middleman, guys? Yeah, great. Smart middleman, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba. These are smart middlemen. They understand all these retailers are making money because the people sitting in the house, they're going and do shopping there. They understand to give them best deal on their comfort. Give them best deal on their comfort, so they don't need to go anywhere. And this is the reason the Amazon, they overpass, Walmart, the biggest superstore in the world. Now this Amazon online, they cross number big time, Walmart now. That's a right example. Now, what they do on top of that, they empower people sitting in the house. They says, man, why don't you connect with the manufacturer so you can sell products in our platform as well. So you can buy as well with a good deal and you can sell and make money as well. So what exactly they're doing, this Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba, they're connected with the manufacturer. So manufacturer using the platform to sell their product. In the same time, people in the house, they also connected with the manufacturer and selling using their product through on Amazon kind of platform. So Amazon directly connected with the manufacturer and indirectly connected with the manufacturer. Why they want to empower these people? Because the manufacturer number maybe 100,000 manufacturers in the globe, but the billions of population on the planet Earth, they want people to use those people. And that's the reason when the prime time come, this Amazon company become $1 trillion. Why? Through prime time, they're keeping the people on their network now. And that's a small thing eBay lacking now. That's a small thing Alibaba lacking now. If Alibaba, eBay can have a kind of bring the people in for permanent, they're going to be $1 trillion business big time. They can cross Amazon as well, but they're looking into it, how they're going to do it whenever they come, basically. But I'm sure you want to have a platform like Amazon, eBay, and something like that. And if you really want to middleman like them, we can offer you platform here. We can connect you with the manufacturer. We can help you through our mentor and coaching program to empower these people sitting in the home. So they can have a connection with the manufacturer, and we also have an indirect connection with these people sitting in the home. So we can have a time compounding big time. Any difference you find, guys? Nothing, similar. We just have to copy paste. Ola copy paste Uber. Ola become a billionaire. There's a company called OYO, copy paste Airbnb. Become $1 billion business. Starting 2017 is to 2020, 2021 now, guys. That company worth around 60 billion. Just copy paste. And our business is also copy paste, guys. You don't need to use too much brain. So question come, why this manufacturer? Oh yeah, one more thing. To give a competition to Amazon, eBay, so how we can give them competition? So we want manufacturer who can only supply to us, not to Amazon, not to any retailer or something like that, only to us. So people, when they need a product, they only have to come to us. So we don't need to be compete with Amazon. We have have our own monopoly. So we found one manufacturer who can give us the best quality of product which Amazon can't provide. So if you buy a toothbrush from Amazon or a retailer or Tesco, Morrison, Asda, you use 1 month, 2 months, 2.5 months. If you're not happy, you won't get money. How about if people they're buying from my platform and they're using toothbrush 1 month, 2 months, if they're not happy, don't worry, man. Give the product back, get your money back. How's that sound, guys? Do you think we can compete Amazon, eBay, Alibaba? We can create our own market? Yes, right? Again, it's all required courage. Whatever we want to do, MBA, graduation, everything, it required courage that we get those degrees. If you can get those degrees, guys, you can build this business as well. It required courage, same dedication. For last, when we in a year 5, we went to a school, till that on the graduation time period, we are so calm, so patiently waiting for we get a job so we can start making money, guys. Can you have a patience for 2, 3 years to build this business? That's required courage, right? So who's this manufacturer? Why they want to help us? So this manufacturer want to help us because this manufacturer want to make 35p, so he can have those lifestyle, and this 65 which we are looking for, he's giving us back in our hand. On top of that, he says, if you use my platform, I can give you free warehousing, free stocking, free logistic, and any returns come from the customer, he's going to look after. Means no headache for us. We can build our distribution network under, again, mentorship program. So we got lots of support same time. So who's this manufacturer? Amazing manufacturer, right? This manufacturer name called Amway. Whatever I'm going to talk about this manufacturer, you can see right in the bottom, Amway record source here. You can go and check on Euro monitor sales. You can whatever, you can check whatever I'm saying to you, because any company around the world, when they claim something, they are the number one or something. This company organization, which is our, validated by all those European companies or European countries, that they check companies' claims. If they found is right, they publish into their website. So Amway is a second organization after Microsoft who generate most millionaire. Example, 50 billion pound, no dollar. Dollar is around $87 billion. 50 billion pounds so far given away, people like you and me, guys. Imagine that. Small effort, how much you can make, right? No risk to start the business. 100% satisfaction guarantee means 3 months you have to use the product, any product, guys. I have, this is my product, my energy drink. I can finish now. I have a 3 month in my hand to return if I'm not happy. That kind of satisfaction guarantee, right? I can talk more and more, but I want you to talk. My wife, please help me welcome my wife, because she's got immense information about the product and about this company as well. I want to share some of her own thoughts. So please give a virtual round of applause to welcome my wife.
Hello everyone, Seema here, background in finance, but very, very excited about the Amway business. We're building it together with two wonderful kids. Personally, me and Dave had a background of conventional business as well. And we understand that conventional business comes with lots of headache. You know, if we want you to have it like a full-time income from there, it's mean either both of us or at least one of us have to compromise with our salary. Only then we can build a conventional business. And we can't build without the investment. And when there's investment, risk and stress is always there. So the reason we chose, personally, me and Dave chose Amway business because of the couple of reasons. We have people, policy, product, and plan. We understand when we came to the presentation just like this, we see the quality of the people who were building the business. After a presentation, you will see some leaders coming up and they will going to share the background. So people from all sort of background building the business. That made us think, you know, we must be missing something, which these people see. So we give it a go. The policy, as Dave mentioned, Amway 61-year-old company. So it got strong heritage. So now, and the company is growing day by day, year by year, the turnover is increasing. So they must be doing something right. So that's one of the main reasons we chose Amway. The product, world-class FMCG product. As you mentioned, can't go wrong with FMCG. They're fast-moving consumer good. Everybody, it doesn't matter how rich, old, poor, young, we all going to use FMCG product. And we have good quality products. Why not? And the plan, they're going to share a compensation plan with you in a minute anyway, because they receive is the effort-based income. Not a position based. If you look on the screen, you know, we're getting the just by starting Amway business, we're getting a distributorship of not just one of them, all the 9 distributorship, all these 9, Nutrilite, Access, Energy Drink, and all that. There's so many. We can go on and on about the products, but I would highly, highly recommend to you, sit back with a person who is invited to you. Challenge them. How, you know, like how can these products economical? They can share facts and figures with you. Just sit back within a day or two and then get all the question answer. The plan that they're going to share anyway. Again, you know, I always say there's no good or bad business. It's the mentorship and coaching program which made the business successful or failure. So with us, like, you know, there's a strong mentorship program. So it is like with a firm belief in ethical values. So nothing can go wrong. So somebody is there for you all the time to support you as long as you're there. As long as you don't disappear. That's how we started the business, within faith in our mentor. We always say we're in the business for ourselves, but not by ourselves. So with that, I'm going to pass it on to Dev to share the composition plan.
Bravo. Thank you, Sima. Amazing. Thank you very much. Platform we're offering you guys. Look at the people. Apple, Bank of America, AT&T, Microsoft. They are our business partner in USA. And this platform offering you a partnership free of cost. That give me, wake up call. Oh, wow. It can't be scheme or scam, basically. If these people involved, it must be something amazing. Having a presence in 100+ countries. So these countries, they have their ISI, Mossad, the FBI, RAW, they have their, the investigation agencies. They thoroughly check and they allow into their country. What else I need to know, man? Nothing. I don't have to invest any money. There are people who can help me, support me, and amazing. I'm a part of an amazing brand. All have to be just discipline myself, willing to learn. You can make out of it big time, man. If you don't discipline, it's impossible, man. If you don't discipline your job, you're not gonna keep your job as well. So the reason you're making money from a job, because you discipline there, you want to make money in this business, you have to discipline. And same patience. You've done your graduation, till that time you have a patience. After that, you start making money. Man, big time, you have patience, experience. Use those experience in this business for 3 years. Let's come to compensation plan now, guys. How we make money. We make money through retailing profit, and the turnover we get the partnership, the bonuses from there as well. And third, when you make money, you straight away start getting experience of luxury lifestyle that we're going to talk about as well. So how we make money. So how I make money, I'm going to show you. So what happened, I realized I have my own website. Now I am a competition with Tesco, Morrison, Asda, Amazon, eBay. So I stopped buying whatever is available on my website, right? And this 320 pounds, very easy retailing. Whatever people you have in your house. So I start retailing to myself first. Second, my wife, her makeup and all she used to buy from stores. Now she's buying from my store. My son, he go to gym. All the gym products he start buying from my store. My mom, or her tea, coffee, pasta, olive oil, water and all the stuff, she's buying from my store. My younger one, his stuff, all the things which are available, he start buying from my store. There's 5 people that used to spend 500 to 600 pounds a month in Tesco, Morrison, Asda. Out of there, I managed to find some nice product to start buying from my own store. So this is my retailing done. So throughout my presentation, you will see my retailing is only 65 pounds. But how I'm building my network, the money is going multiply, or the time compounding is going to be amazing. Now, when we came across something, now we start doing shopping and making money. This is itself exciting part, and the products are so wow product. That's the reason 90-day satisfaction guarantee product have to work. The products are wow. What happened? We start talking with the people, and when we talk, this people skill which you're going to learn from this BW platform, so we can spread the word accordingly. And what happened? We came across, for example, 2 people. They said, "Man, I don't need a brain. No, I'm already spending money in this supermarket. I don't mind to change my shopping location if I can make again 66 pounds as well," right? And now we're using a PV. PV is our currency, like pound, rupees, dollar. The currency. There is one more currency called PV. This is our inside currency, which is widely recognized by all government in the world, because we're using for internal only, not so outside people. So one PV is roughly around 2.46 pence. One PV in USA is $4, Australia $8, in India 80 rupees. So whenever we have a people, say example, this our partner sitting in India, and he's doing, say example, 1,000 PV turnover, all I have to do in convert into rupees. 1,000 PV multiplied by 80 rupees means 80,000 rupees turnover going on. So why are we using PV? Because of we bypassing this exchange rate problem. So I hope you understand, guys. If you don't understand, go get back to the person who invited you. He can explain you more. So these 137 PV, what they're doing, they're changing shopping location. Now you endorse, when you endorse WhatsApp, Amazon, Uber, you don't get anything, but you're building their network. Now you're endorsing this platform, you're building your network. And the people who used to spend money in Tesco, Morrison, Asda, that money part of your turnover now. But what these getting? They're getting 66 pounds. This is the effort. Your effort, you endorse, you need to more money. So that's a turnover part of your network. And how much is around 411 PV. So it means you cross 200 PV, less than 600 PV. So it means 411, you're getting 3% for that. How much you getting? 18 pounds, roughly. This is roughly, I'm giving estimate, right? Now what happened now? You went to 3%. You went to 3% and you're making around 84 pound here. All you have to do, you achieve 3%. How do we make turnover of 3%? You need to help these people to go to 3%. And when you're helping these people, 3% means they also needed their network for at least for 2 people, right? And that's their network. When you help them to go to 3%, while you're helping them, you might get another partner, right? And same time, you're helping them to go 3%. When you do that, what's going to happen? Let's go to next screen. So how much they're making? They're making, if you remember, 84 pound. So they also now, from their network, they're making 84 pound. Whatever they generating money, they're going into their pocket. Now you're helping them. Your turnover basically is going bigger. That turnover impacting you, impacting your turnover as well. So it's helping you to generate more money. That's the reason you want to help these people to build their network. When they go to 3%, they're making 84 pound. You went to 9%, right? And 9%. Retailing still same. Remember, guys, 5 people in the house. You might have 4 people, you 3 people, whatever you're retailing. Just don't worry about the 66 pound. It can be 100 pound, can be 10 pound, right? But don't worry about that. The person who invited you, he can help you about that. But my network income rose 131. How much I'm making? 197 pounds. Right? Now somebody say, oh my God, only 197. At this stage, your business value, I can tell you your business worth at this stage around 300,000 pounds. How come? Imagine if you want passive income, people in this arena, they only know one way to make passive income, to buy a house and rent it out, right? When you buy a house, we don't have money, like to pay in one go. We get mortgage. And when we're getting rental income for like 1,400, 1,600, same time the mortgage is around 1,200 to 1,400. So basically you're making 200 to 300 net profit. Am I right, guys? If you make it 200 to 300 without investment, you're generating this 200 pound a month. Imagine this business worth for 300,000 pounds. So don't take it that 200 pounds so lazy. You really is worth it now, man. And you now what's happened? You went to 9%. Now you have to help these people to go 9%, so they can make 197 each from their network. And while you're helping them, you get some more partner in your business. And when you do that to help other 3 people to go to 9%, what's going to happen? Let's go. Helping them, they're making around 200 pound a month, passive income from their network, money going into their pocket, but the turnover is increasing and helping you to grow. You went to 10,000 PV while helping 6 people to go and make 200 pounds, right? And then you got 21%, it means you're making around 2,324 pounds. But guess what? Your retailing is still same, guys. Why I'm keep pointing on retailing? Because I don't like retailing, right? But this business gives you choice. You have a variety to build your business. I like to talk to people, so I want a more network basically. But again, guys, if you're not in a networking or if you can't retailing, if you smoke, if you move around with the smoker, you become a smoker. If you move around with us, you can do everything because we're gonna rub your shoulder as well, guys. Well, again, it's required courage. Now, you're making 2,324 pounds. What do you have to do? Same thing. You went to 21%. You need to help these people to go to 21%. So, say example, to begin with, you help these 3 people to go to 21%. What's going to happen? When you help only 3 people to go to 21%, you end up making how much these people making? Around 2,000 to 3,000 pounds a month, right? Will they say no? They love to have your help, man, so they can generate this money. And we love to help you to generate this kind of money because now you understand we are interlinked. Remember, Amazon directly connected with the manufacturer and directly connected with people like us. So we also directly connected with the manufacturer and indirectly connected with the people sitting in the house like you. Same thing, guys. You need to open our brain. It's nothing, some scheme, scam, or something. As a scheme, scam, Microsoft, Apple, Dell won't be our partner. 100 they won't allow us into the country, basically. You need to open your brain, guys. Now, when you have these people, you become called Emerald. In Emerald, you're making around 50,000 pounds a year plus means around 50 to 70K a year. And when you help rest of the 3 people, means all 6 people become 21%, you're making 70,000 plus, means 70,000 to 150 plus K. The reason I'm saying that because I've seen people on diamond position, they're having a jets or they plane or glider, they're having a lifestyle now. Now, some smart people might be thinking, it's a pyramid. My question, okay, that's fine, man, it's a pyramid. What you're using? You're using your spending power. From his spending power, you're making money, now you're making a pyramid, man. If you're still thinking pyramid, you don't want to do that. We call, Angur Khatte hai. Your person who invited, he translate you in English. Angur Khatte hai. It's required courage. And those who don't have courage, they're looking for excuses, man. I know scheme, scam, chain, and all. Man, chain. Facebook started with the two people talk with the four people talk to 400, four talk to 400,000. That's a chain. That's a multi-level marketing. Whatever now name you want to give. In 21st century, everyone doing this business. You want to do that? You can do that, guys. You want to do that? Don't do that. What you're doing at the moment, what you're achieving, ask yourself. Here's the pyramid. The pyramid you at the moment working now, guys. Am I right, guys? You see proper pyramid now? Where we're working? Our whole world economy is a pyramid. The one richest man sitting on top, the poor sitting in the bottom, working hard day in, day out. That's pyramid. The world is pyramid, but our business is unique. You as A, you introduce this platform to somebody to B. B have a small courage. You have a people of 2, right? And help them to go to 21%, or help the other person to go to only 12%. He become a platinum because he crossed 10,000 PV. How much is making? He's making 3,000 pounds a month. And the person C, he's with more ambitious. He helped 3 people to go 21%, right? It's all depend, somebody is more excited, more ambitious, depend how ambitious. Where he gone? He become emerald. How much is making? 50K. And the person in the bottom, D, he's very ambitious. He had 6 people to go 21%. He become diamond. How much is making? Around 90K. So it doesn't matter where you start. That's your network. Your network is bigger than the person who invited you. You're making more money than this person. How much he's making? All the profit goes to him. His profit goes to him. His profit goes to him. Whatever left, his turnover and his turnover goes to him. 400, 500. You want to make more money, you need to build his network bigger than these people. So the end of the day, don't get me wrong. This person, that's his network actually. All those money is part of his turnover. But because he's got only one organization and money splitting in there, so the turnover is not impacting him. If you want to get impact, he needs some more organization. So his turnover get bigger than others. So he can also make more money. The person who invited you, he can give you more better options or like more better way to explain, because sometimes I speak very fast or, I get very excited. So if you don't understand, go get back the person who invited you. As I said, to build this business, the coaching and mentorship program is free. We can load you with lots of mobile apps and online resources, streaming and audio and video when we get demotivated, And the good part, basically, when you build this business, the challenges you're going to face, the beauty of this business, everyone face same challenges. If other people can overcome, those who are in audio and video, we listen to them and we get some nuggets and we overcome our challenge. Simple, guys, but require courage. India, when we colonized by British, it took us 200-year fighting. Then we got independence. You want financial freedom only, but yeah, 8 to 10 years. Can you do that? Right? Business conferences, that's the best part. You want to start a business and you want to like a Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mukesh Ambani or Warren Buffett, what they do when they go to office, say example, 12 o'clock, they go to office, they stay in the office for 6 o'clock, for 12 to 6, what they do? And tell me, you can unmute yourself if you think I'm not right here. On that hour, they do 3 things. They do meetings, conference, and seminar. They never disturbance. I'm not going to say, oh, my pilot didn't turn up, let me go and fly the plane. He busy in meeting, conference, and seminar. In meeting, conference, seminar, they do 3 things. They talk about product, services, and building a more better network. What we do in our business, we do same thing because we want to be millionaire club as well. So we have our action exactly same like them. We do 3 things: conference, meeting, seminar. In meeting, conference, seminar, we talk about 3 things: product, services, and building a network, guys. And this is what you get from our network mentorship program. What we do, why we do, we have a goal. That's the reason we do. How we do, we have a direction. We have a right people. We have a right mindset people. They all going in the same direction. They all getting successful. We also get successful. Right? Those who think, oh man, concept is very good. I don't have a time. Well, you are busy to make 1,000, but you don't have time to make millions. So great, man. That's the reason you're not millionaire. But again, how many hours you sleep, how many hours you work, you still spare with the 4 to 6 hours. What we do in 4 to 6 hours, knowingly and unknowingly help other people to make more money. We go to our spare time on parties, organizer making money. We watch TV on spare time, these people make money. Or we go on server internet or social media, these people make money. And how you make money on this platform, you don't need to compromise anything. You keep going to job, we'll show you while doing your job without disturbing your job. How you can build this business. How while going in a parties, we'll teach you how to make money. Don't change anything, man. Keep doing same activity, but we'll show you, we'll teach you, we'll guide you how you can make money, but require discipline. Some patience is very, very essential in this business. Watching TV, how you can make money. Going on internet or serving on this social platform, how you can make money. That we can show you, we can guide you with, and we can work with you guys. Because our intention, you can have a bigger network. So you're gonna help us to build our turnover bigger as well, basically. But your network, you getting all the money, guys. Guaranteed, right? Simple. Social activity, social network convert into business network, just like a Facebook. For Facebook, it's a business network. For us, it's a social network. Learn from these people, guys. Your job, changing shopping location and learn why this product is so wow product. Our job to work with you to build your network, and it's our commitment to learn this product. If you can spare 1 hour a week, see, if we have a 4 hour, a spare hour in a day, multiply by 5 working days, 20 hours, and then 10 hour and 4 hour on weekend is 14 hours. Roughly, you have a 60 hours spare in a week. Out of 60 hours, can you spare 1 hour to come and learn about how good the product is? Because it's very, very important to build your business. Apple phone never gonna crack into the market if the Steve Jobs got no idea about what's the benefit of the Apple phone. Right? So that's very essential. But the main difficult part, which you think, which for us is a piece of cake, the building the network, that's we're gonna work with you to build your business. So you can learn when you think, like when I started, somebody helping me, when I say I learned enough, let me take a charge. They said, yeah, they go. If you learn, you can start doing it. But by the time they're helping me to build money for me, not for themselves. Again, as I mentioned, guys, courage, 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 courage. And if you're going to talk about with your friends or family member or uncle, aunt, and mom, dad, first thing you need to ask yourself, the people you're going to talk about this concept, are they businessmen? Are they financially free? Are they successful entrepreneur? If they're not, they are the wrong people to ask. And if you're going to Google to check how is it about this concept, just having a laugh on you. When you check your credit history, do you check from Google or you go to one particular site? So we can show you some site, you can go and check there as well. And if you want to talk about this concept with the right people, there's lots of people sitting here, man. They're all family people. They're doing it. Must you reason? Ask these people. Go back to the person who invited you. Or, you remember the bee garden people? Let's get their advice. How's that sound? Opportunity. Grab the opportunity and learn how to make it out of it, guys. Simple. The opportunity we have at the moment, are we going anywhere? Are we getting anything? If you're really getting, when are we going to end your job? Impossible. These are some area you can go. Euro Sales Monitor, you can go there as well. dsa.org, amway.co.uk, amway.com. This is the website checked by government, by American government, by UK government. Whatever is there, lots of information is correct. Again, don't think, oh man, I'm not greedy. First I want to tell them and understand you're not greedy, but first make money, and you're still not greedy. Give me that money, please. I can give away those money to poor people so I can become a wise person. Right? So I hope I didn't make you bored, guys. If I make you bored, I really apologize. Back to our awesome host.
Wow, great presentation, Dave, with